Hi everyone, and welcome to Visit My Pattaya YouTube channel. If you're planning your first trip to Thailand, or even if you're returning for the second or third time, this video is for you. I've been traveling around Thailand for years, from Bangkok to the northern mountains of Chiang Mai, the southern islands like Koh Lanta and Koh Tao, and the vibrant city life of Pattaya. And after all that experience, I've put together what I believe are the 15 most important travel tips you need to know before you go. These are the things I wish I had known on my first trip, and that every smart traveler should understand to avoid mistakes and have an amazing time. Let's dive in. 1. Check your passport and visa rules. First off, make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your entry date. This is something many people overlook, and it can get you denied boarding at the airport. Depending on your nationality, you may be eligible for a visa exemption. Right now, it is a 60-day visa exemption. But always check the official Thai immigration website or your nearest embassy before booking flights. You have to fill out the TDAC, Thailand Digital Arrival Card. You can fill it out up to 72 hours before your arrival in Thailand. You can also fill out the TDAC at the arrival airport in Thailand. But if you want to save time, fill it out from home. And whatever you do, don't overstay your visa. It's not taken lightly here, and it can cause problems if you plan to come back. 2. Travel insurance is not optional. This is a must. Thailand is generally safe, but if you get into an accident or even just food poisoning, you'll want insurance. Hospitals are high quality, especially in Bangkok, Phuket, and Chiang Mai, but they're private, and without coverage, costs add up fast. So get proper travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and preferably motorbike accidents, since those are quite common for tourists. 3. Pack light, but smart. You'll want breathable, light clothes. It's hot and humid nearly all year. But also pack 1 or 2 modest outfits for temples. Shoulders and knees should be covered. Other essentials? Sunscreen. It's expensive in Thailand. Bug repellent. A universal power adapter. Thailand uses 220V, plugs ABC. Slip-on shoes. You'll be taking them off a lot at temples and even shops. 4. Book the right flights and plan airport transfers. There are 2 main airports in Bangkok, Suvarnabhumi, BKK, and Don Muang, DMK. Know which one you're arriving at. Some budget airlines use Don Muang, while international flights usually land at BKK. For airport transfers, pre-book a taxi, use Bolt or Grab. You can also book a local taxi at the airport, but be sure the driver uses the meter, or else it can be very expensive with a fixed price. Or arrange transport through your hotel. Avoid the pushy drivers inside arrivals. They often overcharge. 5. Choosing where to stay. Hotels, hostels, apartments. Thailand has every type of accommodation. Hostels for under $10 night. Great mid-range hotels for $25 to $60. Luxury resorts from $100 plus. Use Agoda or Booking.com. They often have better local rates than international platforms. And if you're staying for longer than 2 weeks, look into monthly rentals via Facebook groups or local apps like DD Property or RentHub. Pro tip, make sure your place has air conditioning and good Wi-Fi. Not all budget options do. 6. Getting around Thailand. In Bangkok, the BTS SkyTrain and MRT subway are super clean, cheap, and efficient. Elsewhere, you'll often use Grab, essential. Tuk-tuks, fun but agree on the price first. Motorbike taxis, fast but wear a helmet. For longer trips between cities, VIP buses, trains, or cheap domestic flights with AirAsia, Nok-Air, or Thai Smile. 7. Always carry some cash. Thailand is still largely a cash-based society, especially in rural areas, small shops, and markets. ATMs are everywhere, but each withdrawal costs around 220 baht, about $6 to $7. So withdraw larger amounts if you can, and try to use currency exchange services like Super Rich in cities, instead of airport kiosks. Most large hotels, malls, and restaurants do accept cards, but don't rely on it. 8. Eat the street food, safely. The street food in Thailand is incredible. Don't miss it. Look for busy stalls with locals. They move food fast, which means it's fresh. Avoid anything that's been sitting out, and stick to bottled or filtered water only. Don't brush your teeth with tap water. My favorites? Pad Kra Pao, spicy basil chicken. mango sticky rice, and som tum, green papaya salad. But careful, it can be really spicy. 9. Respect the culture. Thailand is the land of smiles, but also a country that values respect, politeness, and harmony. Here are a few cultural basics. Don't touch anyone's head. It's sacred. Don't point your feet at people or Buddha images. Don't lose your temper in public. It's seen as weak and offensive. When in doubt, smile. It goes a long way here. 10. Dress modestly at temples. You'll visit at least one temple, guaranteed. They're stunning. But dress the part. No shorts, tank tops, or revealing clothing. Remove hats and shoes before entering. Don't climb on statues or take silly photos with Buddha. Even if you're not religious, respect the space. 11. Nightlife do's and don'ts. Yes, Thailand has wild nightlife. From rooftop bars in Bangkok to full moon parties in Koh Phangan, there's something for everyone. But watch your drink. Don't flash money or valuables. Be cautious about new friends approaching you. And absolutely never get involved with drugs. Penalties are severe. Have fun, but use common sense. 12. Avoiding tourist scams. Even in paradise, scams exist. The most common ones: a friendly guy says, "The temple is closed, let me take you somewhere else." He's leading you to a gem shop. Jet ski rental damage claims. Take photos before you ride. Fake monks asking for donations. Meterless taxis charging 5x the normal fare. Trust your gut. If it feels off, it probably is. 13. Learn a few Thai words. You don't need to be fluent, but knowing just a few words makes a big difference. Hello. Sawasti krub. Thank you. Kop kun krub. Not spicy. My pet. How much? Tau rai? Locals love it when you try, even if you mess up. 14. Tipping etiquette. Tipping isn't required, but appreciated. Leave 20 to 50 baht at restaurants for good service. Round up for taxis or grab drivers. Tip your massage therapist. Around 50-100 baht is fine. Even a small tip means a lot here. 15. Explore beyond the obvious. Thailand is so much more than just Bangkok, Phuket, and Pattaya. Get off the beaten path and explore Chiang Rai for culture, Koh Lip for hidden beaches, Isan for real local life, Pai for a chilled mountain vibe. Some of your best memories will come from the places most people skip. Thailand is beautiful, chaotic, relaxing, delicious, and full of surprises. It's one of the most rewarding travel destinations in the world, if you come prepared and respectful. If you found these tips helpful, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Thailand travel advice. Let me know in the comments, where in Thailand are you planning to go? Thanks for watching, and sawadee ka. See you in my next video about Thailand.